Hello everyone. Today, we are going to discuss an important topic that combines two crucial aspects of our lives, supporting the environment and generating profits. That's right, green investment. This concept is all about making smart financial decisions that not only benefit our planet, but also yield substantial returns for your business or portfolio. By investing in environmentally friendly businesses and projects, you are directly contributing to the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions, mitigating the effects of climate change, and preserving our natural resources for future generations. This is a win-win situation for everyone, as businesses that prioritize sustainability often experience higher returns on investment due to their lower risk profiles and increased market appeal. There are various green investment options available, such as renewable energy projects, energy efficiency initiatives, sustainable agriculture, and eco-friendly transportation. These sectors are not only crucial for the fight against climate change but also offer long-term growth potential, thanks to the increasing demand for eco-conscious products and services. Moreover, green investments can be a powerful tool for financial literacy and gender equality, as they often target underrepresented groups in the investment world, such as women and minorities. By investing in environmentally responsible companies, you are not only supporting a better future for our planet, but also promoting diversity and inclusivity within the financial industry. In conclusion, green investment is an essential strategy for anyone looking to support the environment and generate profits for their portfolio. By making smart decisions in line with sustainable practices, you are not only contributing to a better future for all of us but also gaining competitive advantages in today's increasingly eco-conscious market. Don't wait any longer. Start exploring the world of green investment today.